Daily Market Summary Report September 7, 2024. The markets ended the week on a mixed note, with investors closely digesting the latest jobs data and what it might signal for Federal Reserve policy in the coming weeks. The highly anticipated August jobs report showed the U.S. economy added 142,000 jobs, signaling a continued slowdown in labor market growth. The unemployment rate edged back down, but concerns over wage inflation and economic momentum kept investors on edge. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.37% on the day, bouncing back from its earlier losses in the week, while the S&P 500 slipped 0.1%, pressured by lingering concerns over the Fed's path forward. The Nasdaq Composite saw a modest decline of 0.15%, with tech stocks pulling back slightly after their recent rally. In corporate news, Tesla TSLA fell another 3.2% as the electric vehicle giant faces renewed scrutiny over its expansion plans in China and Europe. Meanwhile, GameStop GME continued its impressive recovery, surging 6.83% on optimism around its restructuring efforts and potential leadership changes. The bond market remained relatively calm, with yields holding steady as investors continue to gauge the potential for a 25 basis point rate cut later this month. While some are hopeful that easing inflation pressures could prompt the Fed to pivot, the latest economic data has added uncertainty to the equation. In the commodities market, oil prices ticked up as supply concerns linger, with WTI crude closing just above $87 per barrel. Gold also edged higher, benefiting from renewed demand for safe haven assets as economic uncertainty looms. Looking ahead, the focus remains on the Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting and how the central bank will navigate its dual mandate of promoting full employment while managing inflation risks. Investors should expect continued volatility as economic indicators provide further insight into the health of the U.S. economy. Top gainers: GameStop Corp. GME 6.83%, Samsara Inc. IoT 3.72%, Pfizer PFE 2.10%. Top losers: Tesla Inc. TSLA -3, 20%. Palantir Technologies PLTR -2, 50%. Nvidia Corp. NVDA -1, 75%. Outlook: with the labor market showing further signs of cooling, the Federal Reserve's September meeting will be crucial in determining the trajectory of monetary policy. Investors should brace for heightened volatility and focus on sectors that traditionally perform well in uncertain economic environments, such as healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples.